Is the voice search language feature not working on the YouTube app? If voice search recognizes the wrong language, you can change the voice search language, or your spoken commands aren't detected correctly. It can affect your search experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix voice search language on YouTube app. The first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube, as you see, and you will click. Then here in this page, you will go to profile, you will tap here. After that, you will move to profile, to settings, you will tap on settings on above. Here, settings. Then in this list, you will go to general settings. And then here in this page, what you will find is voice search language, and here you can choose any voice you want to add it to your application. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.